Good morning, first grade. Today in reading class, we are going to be working through a book called Chrysanthemum. And this is a great story. And there's a couple purposes in me having us read this story today. One purpose is I want you, while the story is being read to you through the YouTube link, you will click underneath the YouTube to watch it being read. But while it's being read, I want you to be a reader that thinks. Not just hears things, but I want you to be a thinking reader. And so while that story is being read, I want you to think about our character. Our character is Chrysanthemum, and she feels a certain way at the very beginning of the story. And as you are hearing the story being read, the first few pages, I want you to think about how our character feels. But then something happens in the middle of the story, and our character's feelings change. And so, as the story is being read, I want you to be thinking about how her feelings changed toward the middle of the story. And then something else happens toward the end of the story. And again, her feelings will change. So I want you to also be a very good thinker and listener while you're reading, while you're hearing the story being read. And how does the character's feelings change at the end of the story? So that is one purpose in today's lesson. I want you to understand the character's feelings, but then I want us to learn a lesson from this book. And we're going to talk about that lesson after the book is being read. So you're going to click on three links today. This is the first one. The second one is the story. And then we're going to do a final follow-up lesson at the very end after the story. So I'll see you in just a bit.